In this video, we will talk about how to fix unidentified network, no internet access Windows 11. Method 1. Restart devices. First, I would recommend you restart your computer, router, and modem. Then unplug the Ethernet cable between your computer and router. Wait for 30 seconds and plug it back in. Check if this helps you to fix the problem. Do the same with your router and modem and make sure to wait 30 seconds. Method 2. Troubleshoot. Click on Windows icon, open Settings. On the left, select System. Scroll it down, select Troubleshoot, then Other Troubleshooters. In Network and Internet, select Run and follow the on-screen instructions. Method 3. Restart DHCP service. Click in Search, type Services, and select Run as administrator. Here, you need to search DHCP client service. Right-click and select Properties. Change the startup type to Automatic, then click on Apply and OK, and start the services. Here, you can see my issue has been resolved. Method 4. Run commands. Click in Search, type Notepad, and click on Open. After opening the Notepad, paste the following script given in the description. Click on File and select Save As. Then choose your location. Type your file name with .bat and click on Save. Right-click on BAT file. Select Run as administrator. Click on Yes. Now click on Windows icon and restart your PC. So that's how you can fix unidentified network, no internet access Windows 11. If you find this video helpful, then leave a like and drop your feedback in the comments. See you in the next video.